This is the number one mistake that I have come across in my career as an estate planning attorney since 2006. So here's how you can prevent it. When you fill out your beneficiary forms for your retirement accounts or for your life insurance, you very likely are given a piece of paper. And unless you speak Latin, there's this little block that is confusing, and typically the representative at the company is going to tell you, don't worry about that, or you can decide later, or maybe talk to an attorney about it. And that phrase is right in the middle of the screen there, and her Stirpes. On this form, what you're doing is you're saying, hey, I pass away, where do I want my assets to go? Now, let's say that you have a client who's a widow and they've got 3 children. My first son to get 33.33% of the estate. Here, I want my second son to get the same amount, and then my daughter might get also a third. But most clients do not take that extra step of researching what a per Stirpes designation means. And this can have catastrophic consequences. So if you check the per Stirpes block, you are saying, if this child of mine predeceases me, I don't want their share to be extinguished. I want it to go down to their descendants. And I have represented a granddaughter who her parent passed away just a month before her grandma passed away. Okay, so her grandma had her parent listed as a beneficiary on a form just like this, but she didn't check the per Stirpes block. What does that mean? She is a grandchild totally disinherited from the estate plan, which means she then has to go to her uncles and aunts and basically beg them to give money that she otherwise would have received, which is a taxable gift for them and which they have no legal obligation to agree to. So if you want to guarantee strife within your family, if you want to cause fighting, not learning this is the way to go. Additionally, it's really a nasty trap because a lot of people have a will or they have a trust and they think, I've done my estate planning, but unless they're in communication with their attorney and checking in on an annual basis or more, this gets missed more times than not. It's why our law firm operates on an ongoing basis, on a subscription basis. When we sign up an estate planning client, that is a client for life. So hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.